Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's pack your bag. And today we are in Orlando at Universal Orlando Resort. So, alright, we have made it to one of the Universal Studios' most action-packed rides, Man in Black Alien Attack. If you have ever wanted to be a secret agent, blast aliens, and save the world in a matter of minutes, this is the ride for you. As you walk through the queue, you are basically stepping into the MIB headquarters. I mean, just look at all the cool gadgets and high-tech stuff around here. It's like you have been recruited to join a secret organization that keeps the world safe from all kind of aliens. So, it's a big deal. Got to keep your eyes peeled. These little guys are pretty sneaky, but don't worry, you will get crash course in how to handle them. Just wait till we get the ride and you are gonna be on a mission in on time. So alright, let's get into our vehicles and let's just say the ride is active. So you are not just sitting back and watching, you will be aiming and shooting. So you have guns with you to shoot these aliens, and I feel like I have already saved this planet. So see, those aliens are hanging somewhere from the wall or sneaking from a window or a door, and you just have to shoot them. And we are off as soon as our ride started. Uh, this is so exciting. All these creatures are popping out from every direction. It's a non-stop action. And the best part, you are one who gets to zap them. So don't hold yourself back. Here comes the aliens, so don't be fooled. They are not just standing around and waiting to be shot. They are pretty sneaky, they're pretty quick, and they are ready to fight back. So we have got to be fast on the trigger. So if you want to rack up these, if you really want to rack up these points, yes. By the way, it's all about high score. If you're like me, you will be very competitive. So let's see who all can hit the more aliens. Wow. Oh, so our vehicle is just taking rounds and rounds and rounds, and I'm literally feeling like I'm in the middle of some kind of alien war. Throughout this ride, the special effects are really nice. They really bring this alien world to life. From exploding spaceship to aliens that pop out from nowhere, it's one of those rides that keeps you on your toes entire time. And oh my god, taking a round turn, and speed is not too much, but it's too much fun. And that's a wrap up of our mission. I guess another day saved. Thanks to you guys. It was a blast. It was little wild and little competitive and a lot of fun. So Men in Black Attack is definitely one of those rides where you will want to experience, which you want to experience over and over again. So I must tell you one thing, that after completing this ride, once again I went to the queue and again I did. So I experienced this ride twice in one day and it was too much fun. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such fun videos and travel videos. Take care, bye bye.